Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a reliable VPN that's affordable and feature-packed, Surfshark is one of the best options out there. And the good news is you don't have to pay full price. Today I'll share the latest Surfshark VPN coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025. Plus, show you exactly how to buy Surfshark with a discount. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest savings. Surfshark is trusted by millions of users worldwide, offering unlimited device connections, lightning-fast servers, strong encryption, and the to unlock Netflix, Hulu, BBC, iPlayer, and more. Whether you're streaming, browsing, or protecting your privacy online, Surfshark has you covered. Here are the codes you can try. SURF83, save up to 83% off long-term plans. Shark20, extra 20% off for new users. VPN 2025, flat 25% off annual subscriptions. Secure 15% off monthly plans. Free month, get 1 month free with select multi-year subscriptions. How to buy Surfshark VPN with a discount. Click the special link in the description. Choose your Surfshark plan, monthly, annual, or multi-year. Enter one of the coupon codes at checkout. Confirm your discount, complete your purchase, and download the app. It's that easy, so don't wait. Surfshark deals like this don't last forever, and it's the perfect time to protect your online privacy while saving money. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start browsing securely today. If this video helped you save, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes and tech deals, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you.